That's so sick!
Right? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. If you guys are new, my name is Mike. So today we're doing something a little bit special with Ariana. My kid brother over here is gonna be driving Ariana for the very first time. To be fair, he's driven stick before, but he just has his like learner's permit, so he's not really good at driving like stick really well. He's mainly driving my mom's Cadillac or my dad's van. My Evo is definitely something new for him. Mind you, if you guys are new to the channel, my Evo is still like stock power. Still needs a tune. It has a full exhaust, intake, blow-off valve, basically pretty much all the bolt-ons, but again, I'm not tuned, so I'm not really making what I could be making. But yeah, this is gonna be something definitely different for him. Are you nervous?
No, not really.
Not really? Okay, this guy's fucking confident as shit.
I feel like I'm in a jet.
Yeah?
With a steering wheel.
Yeah, you like the steering wheel?
This is the car I'm gonna use for my road test?
No. So pressing the clutch, start the car. Steering gear neutral. Yeah. I'm gonna take my harness off just in case something happens. Okay, stop. This is basically empty.
Yeah,
so
we're gonna go now?
Yeah, so you know how to put in gear, right?
I played Forza Horizon before, clutch with clutch and everything, so I think I know him.
Attaboy.
So clutch.
Yeah.
Okay, first.
Yeah. Okay. You know what's your issue? Fucking e-brake is still up, that's what. I'm just waiting for you to put it down, but okay. Oh, he did it! Oh shit! You did it! Okay, second gear, clutch in. The fuck? Okay, so it's proven Forza Horizon teaches you how to drive stick because Josh has officially done it. This is all legal because Josh already has his license and he can technically drive as long as I'm in the car with him. So this is all fine. Just keep going around in a circle, I guess. Oh, you saved it.
How do I not do that? Like the RPM drops like a lot. To add more gas? Or?
You basically just, with this car, you just have to feel it. And as soon as you feel the clutch grab, just add gas. Just
floor it.
Just ever so
just
slightly.
Floor it.
I said ever so slightly.
There you go.
Okay, well you still got out of it. You honestly just need practice.
Yeah. This is not bad. Like I get the mechanics behind it, like about like manual and stuff. Like, but I've never really. This like feels weird.
What feels weird about it? Like, what's the weirdest thing?
I don't know.
Because you've driven manual like once or twice in the past,
I've done it
but
once or twice. But it's just like
it's been such a long time.
Or something. I don't know. Bro, look your mirror. I can literally only see your wing. That's all I can see. In this mirror, I can only see his wing.
We can adjust the mirror if you want. How's the side mirrors? Are they okay?
I adjusted it.
Okay, so how do you feel about driving this on the road? Second gear, you're still rolling. Second gear.
Why second?
Because
oh shit.
You stalled it.
I thought that would happen, honestly.
Okay, this guy's looking at you right now.
Oh shit.
Okay, put into reverse. Yeah. Slowly reverse, slowly. Go. That guy over there was straight up freaking out. He's like, oh shit, what the fuck happened? But bro, we good, man.
This is where you took that one thumbnail?
Yeah, this is where I take some of my pictures because it's awesome. And the car just sounds unreal in here. Yeah, first gear, there you go. You're in between two lanes, but you know what? That's cool, dude. That's cool. You do you, man. Okay, so you can step on a little bit, get the blow-off valve sound.
Holy fuck, that's so sick!
Right? Right?
Dude! It's different when you're driving it. It's like really cool.
Okay, easy there, easy. Okay, there you go. Want to change the left lane because there's usually cars parked. Okay, yeah, you turn. Oh. Yummy.
Is that really bad?
Yeah, it's called burning the clutch, but it's okay.
You need a new one anyway.
Yeah, I don't want to buy one though. I really don't. But okay, to be honest, Josh is doing a really good job. He's already driving on the street, so attaboy, he can drive Ariana. So if I need to move Ariana, if everything was flat, I would totally trust him. We'll see how he does in pressure because there is a lot of traffic right now. Okay, just turn. There you go. Hey!
Second?
Yeah, you're in second now. Josh has this Instagram account called 88 Grailed. If you guys are into like hypebeast stuff, or I don't know if this is even hype. I'm a car guy, I'll be honest, but this is what I got. I got an anti-social social club sweater. Josh actually imports stuff from Japan. Like he imports bait and stuff. So if you guys are into that, I'll leave the link down below to his Instagram. Highly recommend checking and following him because he can get you the best prices. Even if you're local or if he has to ship it out, he does all that stuff. So like how I import cars, he imports clothes, and that's super cool. If you guys want to check it out, link is down below. I'll put a little thing somewhere here, I think. So okay, you're in third gear right now. You can actually put it into fifth gear. Go, just to make the RPMs lower so you're not that loud, because everyone starts looking at you. Learn how to play with the turbo to get like that chirping, the blow-off sound activating. Just go like whoosh, and then release the gas. You don't have to shift gears. See?
Bro, I think I just nutted. Oh fuck, dude, that's so sick.
At certain RPMs, Ariana will actually flutter, and at high RPMs it'll just chirp, HKS chirp, squeaky squeak. So don't ever shift inside a corner, especially if you're learning how to drive stick, because it'll just confuse you. Oh, dude, you're just killing the clutch.
I'm sorry.
This. Oh, holy shit!
Dude, there was fire. I swear. That
Oh my god! Shift into fifth.
There was fire.
Straight up, there was fire. Oh my god!
That kid saw it too, bro.
Oh, my bro, they're backfired. Oh, Ariana very rarely does she backfire. Like I think last Sunday, I wasn't like vlogging, but she backfired, but at the gas station was fucking loud. It scared all my friends.
Oh,
replay. This. Oh, holy! Oh my god. When Josh and I were growing up, our parents always had automatics, and I'm sure you guys are the same too. If not, you guys are lucky that your parents actually have a manual transmission. If you guys are lucky enough to have a manual transmission in your family, I highly recommend this.
Whoa,
What the? Why? How? Why is Ariana keep backfiring for you?
It likes me, bro. It likes me.
Yeah, definitely go out and try driving a stick shift because it's something that's kind of dying in the world, and we need to revive it.
Bro.
Yeah, it's sad because it feels so good.
In like probably like 50 years, maybe even less, bro. We're just gonna have electric cars. No cap. I think that's what's gonna happen.
Josh has a Playmate RX-8. Damn. Oh, bro, shift. Bro, when you do that, you gotta shift. So, how was it?
I like it.
Yeah?
I'm gonna save my money.
You're gonna save your money and buy an Evo, or just like a turbo in general?
Turbo.
Just a turbo? You're not a fan of the Evo?
I like Evos. Not gonna lie, I just like the older ones. Like, I like your car. It's really cool, but I feel like, dude, this harness though. I like the older Evos, just like in my opinion. But this car is fun. Like, it's not. I don't not like it. I like it, but I just prefer older Evos. You know what I mean? Like, I really want to save up for like a 5. That'd be pretty cool. Or
Teenagers, man. Fucking teenagers. You give them an Evo 10 that fucking looks dope as shit, and they still want something else. Come on, man. But he did a really good job, so like the video for Josh, and remember, check out his Instagram, and DM him if you guys are into like the hypebeast stuff, because he can hook you up with the best prices you can probably find online or anywhere else. So definitely hit this guy up, like the video for him. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out and make it happen.